Hi gang, yeah, here I am finally up at the creek. It's a nice place. It's 9:30 in the morning. The sun is just starting to come over. FrankenSluice has been set up. I think I've got it pretty deep in the feeding trolley, but there's quite a flow happening. I've secured it with the tent pegs because I think it needs it, to be honest. And also being plastic, I'm not too sure how I'd go putting a rock on top. So we swing around here. There's all the good gear. We got the bucket with material, classifier. Normally I classify into the pan and then into the bucket. And up there we got the radio to keep me company. However, because it's YouTube and I don't want to get done for copyright, I've had to turn it off. So yeah, but there you go. The sun is just starting to come over. I think, yeah, there you go, beautiful. So in about an hour's time it's going to be a lot more pleasant. So just back to FrankenSluice. There it is in its element. What a ripper, eh? Okay, it'll be interesting to see how the cleanup goes. I guess that will be FrankenSluice Part C. Hooroo!